Applications of siRNA. There are different applications of siRNA like determining the protein function. It is easier than preparing the knockouts, mean to work with the siRNA is easier to work for knockout of the genes. It is used for partial knockdown of different genes. Other applications of siRNA are that it is used in cancer prevention, infections, and it is used in developmental defects. If we do the comparison between the applications of siRNA and miRNA and the difference between siRNA and miRNA, both are exogenously delivered. siRNA consists of 21 to 23 nucleotides, and same is in case of miRNA. Acts through the RISC, same in case of miRNA, induces homologous target cleavage, perfect sequence match, imperfect sequence match. So here is the difference between siRNA and miRNA, that in case of siRNA, there is a perfect sequence match and ultimately siRNA degrades the messenger RNA. While in case of miRNA, even if there is imperfect sequence match, it can work for the degradation or the stoppage of the translation of the protein, results in target degradation, and it results in translation arrest. So this is the difference between siRNA and miRNA and their mode of action. If we conclude about the applications of siRNA, it is used in determining the protein function. It is easier than to prepare the knockouts, and it is used for the partial knockout of the genes.